Damn, look at this cutie. I think I need to get a new battery soon. Let this bitch warm up. But I want to start like moto vlogging soon. I just need to get a fucking mic. So I can like put this shit on my helmet right here. But I definitely need to like put a mic through, or else you're just gonna hear the wind blowing and shit. So I don't know, right now you're about to get a little montage of me riding, but I mean, I'll put some soft Ryan Little music over it. We'll see. Hopefully this shit doesn't fall off. Right there, not fucking somewhere else. We got Zito the builder.
Look at this. The wall, everything.
Whoa. What are you even gonna do right now? Oh, you're putting it in?
Putting my seats in.
It's not like, it's in, but it's not in. We gotta make sure this is on.
Put the new battery in, guys.
New battery's in. Took the muffler off because he wants it to be fucking screaming. Less scream. Like tickled my ear. Huh? Yeah. Here, do it again. I didn't know he was on the phone. Yeah, that's pretty decent. How we do this oil? We gotta let it cool
off.
Yeah, let it cool off. We're gonna change this oil. You know,
This guy probably never fucking changed his oil.
Yeah, that shit was nasty. Yeah, I'll get you some paper towels.
You should bring John over.
Dude, Alonzo's helmet's sick as fuck. Got a little bad boy on the front. Look at his teeth. Got some scary teeth. Oh. Pour the oil filter out in there. You gotta bring that oil back to AutoZone.
I was throwing it in the garbage.
Nah. Yeah, just let's throw it away. Dude, Alonzo, I know a trick to get all this like dirty oil that's like kind of dripped on your bike to get it off. You just take a lighter to it and just fucking light the dirty oil on fire and it'll burn it all away. He's cuddling his bike. What's happening? Oil's leaking?
Yep.
You didn't tighten it
Don't
enough?
touch it now. It's gonna be too hot. We'll wait till after we do mine and we'll tighten your shit up.
All right, we just changed the oil. We got a new battery. So I'll take this baby out. His first ride. Let's see how he does. And now I'm gonna fucking call the police because he does not have his license. Calling the police. You're about to feel the wind in your nips.